Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss number sequences. Okay, a number sequence is a set of numbers arranged in such a way that each successive number follows the preceding ones according to a specific rule. The numbers in the sequence are the terms of the sequence. Okay, consider the following natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. We know that the numbers which come after 10 are 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. We are able to continue writing down the numbers because each successive number follows the preceding one according to a specific rule. We say that the natural numbers form a number of sequence. The numbers in a sequence are the terms of the sequence. Okay, here are some examples of number sequences. Sequence of even whole numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What is the rule? Start with 2, then add 2 to each term to get the next term. Next, sequence of odd whole numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now what is the rule? Start with 1, then add 2 to each term to get the next term. Okay, sequence of powers of 2 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Start with 1, then multiply each term by 2 to get to the next term. Like 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Okay, sequence of squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Now what is the rule? Square each term of the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25 and square of 6 is 36. Now next is the sequence of cubes 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. Now the rule is cube each term of the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like the cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216. Okay, for each of the sequence, state the rule and write down the next three terms. 3, 8, 13. Now add 5, we can see that there is a difference of 5 between each term. So add 5 to each term to get the next term. So the next three terms are 18, 23 and 28. Now the next is 38, 32 and 26. Now we can see there's a difference of 6 between each consecutive terms. Now subtract 6 from each term to get to the next term. The next three terms are 20, 14 and 8. Now the next is 2, 6, 18, etc. Now the rule is multiply each term by 3 to get the next term. The next three terms are 18 times 3 is 54, 54 times 3 is 162 and 162 times 3 is 486. Okay, the next is 128, 64 and 32. The rule is divide each term by 2 to get to the next term. The next three terms are 16, 32 divided by 2 is 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, copy and complete the following pattern. State the rule and write down the next three terms 5, 8, 11. Now the rule is add 3 to each term to get to the next term. The next three terms are 14, 17 and 20. Okay, the next is 0, 10, 20. Now the rule is add 10 to each term to get to the next term. The next three terms are 30, 40 and 50. Okay, the next is 52, 59 and 66. Now the rule is add 7 to each term to get the next term. The next three terms are 73, 80 and 87. Next 80, 73, 66. The rule is subtract 7 from each term to get to the next term. The next three terms are 59, 52 and 45. Okay, consider the pattern. Consider this pattern. Write down the 8th line in the pattern and the value of k. We can see this pattern, that is 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 5 is 20. So the next line will be 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into 7 is 42, like this. Okay. 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into 7 is 42, 7 into 8 is 56 and 8 into 9 is 72. So the 8th line of the pattern is 72 is equal to 8 into 9. And we also have to find the value of k. So 9 into 10 is 90 and 110 is equal to 10 into 11. So the value of k is 10.